vandalization of, shops, washing places, government buildings, businesses of individuals. And it spread across the 8 metropolitan local governments. Many people were attacked, they were maimed. Some of the buildings that were attacked, vandalized, include the newly built NCC, Nigerian Communication Commission building. It was looted, all the furniture, all the computers, all the accessories were vandalized. The state judiciary were also affected because they attacked the appeal court building, which is housing even the chief judge of Kano State. We were from there. We saw it by ourselves, massively vandalized. Now we proceeded here, the historical Kano printing press, which was built and equipped during the Abdul Bago administration in the 70s. You can see we went round with all of you. Everything, all the machines were burnt down. All the offices, including stationaries, including all those things that were printed, destroyed. Behind me, the mosque. This was planned. It wasn't the initial arrangement with the protesters. It was fully hatched. Somebody that was behind it planned it for quite a long time. Within the last 5 or 6 days, we got information that somebody who has just got an appointment in Abuja was planning to attack innocent protesters and to attack public buildings as well as businesses. He even posted it on the social media. We have all the evidences calling on thugs to come and escort him. I reported to the security agencies. Many of them acted. But unfortunately, again yesterday morning, he came out true to his action and led those thugs to perpetrate this crime. So this is where we are today. We have written to the security agencies with a prayer that he will be apprehended and that he will be made to answer for the crime he has committed. And we are always determined. We know these are part of the challenges in governance. Any leader that would tell you that he's worried about this, no, it shouldn't be. I am not worried, I'm not deterred. I am more determined, more committed to ensure that we continue with the dividend of democracy we promised to the good people of the state. We are never deterred. This morning, the 1st of August, 2024, we received the representatives of the peaceful protesters, where they submitted their demand in writing, which I also promised to deliver to Mr. President. While I commend the vast majority of the peaceful protesters who stated their concerns responsibly and maturely, It is, however, regrettable to say that the whole protest that was meant to be a demonstration of democratic right to voice the concerns of the people, especially the downtrodden masses of this country and this state, was hijacked by thugs and hoodlums who embarked on looting of business premises, government properties, religious buildings, as well as maiming of innocent citizens. On this note, therefore, and based on the powers conferred on me by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as the Chief Security Officer of the state, I have therefore declared 24 hours curfew in the state with immediate effect.